Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn expressing polite words and repeat after me. May I help you?
May I help you?
May I come to your house?
May I come to your house?
May I borrow your pen?
May I borrow your pen?
Would you like to help me?
Would you like to help me?
Would you like to come to my house?
Would you like to come to my house?
Would you like to do this for me?
Would you like to do this for me?
Would you mind if I sit here?
Would you mind if I sit here?
Do you mind if I cancel it?
Do you mind if I cancel it?
Do you mind if I close the window?
Do you mind if I close the windows?
Do you mind if you come to my house after dinner?
Do you mind if you come to my house after dinner?
Do you mind if I call you?
Do you mind if I call you?
Do you mind if I turn the TV off?
Do you mind if I turn the TV off?
Open the window, please.
Open the window, please.
Sign this letter, please.
Sign this letter, please.
Could you please move to another chair?
Could you please move to another chair?
Would you like a cup of coffee?
Would you like a cup of coffee?
Would you like to take this wet umbrella outside, please?
Would you like to take this wet umbrella outside, please?
May I give you a hand?
May I give you a hand?
Shall I bring you a pillow?
Shall I bring you a pillow?
Can I do the dishes for you?
Can I do the dishes for you?
Shall I help you with your project?
Shall I help you with your